the operations manual is here at 2013. I understand it has been updated. The inquest required under Rule 15 is an inquest into the death that occurred in the course of an investigation. Sa totoo po, sa isa pong encounter o sa isang kaganapan na merong namatay, dalawa po yung krimen, quote-unquote. Kumbaga, una po, kung may drug operation, yung krimen na tinutukoy ko si namatay, it is either homicide, namatay, napatay, or murder, pinatay. And in many of the cases that we have observed, Your Honors, the narrative of Nanlaban is inaccurate and false. Kwento lang, gawa-gawa. In fact, I have a collection of records, police reports, where the language is eerily similar, para kung copy-paste. And as we were earlier talking about visualization, kung yan po ang nakalagay sa papel, nung commander